What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best Lenovo laptops based on my extensive research, so you don't have to, but watch the video till the end. From ThinkPads to Yogas, Legions to IdeaPads. There's a lot, but I'll help you find the right fit. We'll break down what makes each laptop special, who they're for, and where they might fall short. Whether you're a gamer, a business pro, a creative, or a student, there's a Lenovo here for you. All the models are linked below if you want to check them out and support the channel. Let's jump in. Here are the top 5 Lenovo laptops for 2025. First up, the legendary ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11. This is the business laptop, ultralight, ultra-durable, and refined over a decade. The carbon fiber chassis is featherweight but tough with that classic matte black finish. The keyboard? Still the best in the business deep travel, perfect feedback, and the iconic red track point. The trackpad is smooth and responsive with satisfying clicks. Under the hood, you get up to Intel Core i7, built for productivity. Think endless Chrome tabs, office and video calls. Integrated Iris Xe graphics mean it's not for gaming but for work. It's a multitasking champ. The OLED display option is a standout 2.8K resolution, vibrant colors, and inky blacks. Thin bezels, a webcam with a privacy shutter, and enterprise-grade security fingerprint reader, IR camera, ThinkShield features. Port selection is generous: 2 Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. No dongle life here. Battery life easily covers a full workday, and rapid charge gets you back up fast. It's not cheap, but you're paying for reliability, security, and a tool that won't let you down. Who's it for? The professional who needs a lightweight, powerful, and dependable laptop. If your laptop is your livelihood, the X1 Carbon is a masterclass in purposeful design. It's not flashy, but it's nearly flawless at what it does. If you want the best business ultrabook, this is it. It's the gold standard for productivity on the go. The X1 Carbon is all about getting the job done, no compromises. It's a premium investment, but worth every penny for the right user. If you need a laptop that just works, this is the one. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11, iconic, reliable, and built for business. Let's move on to something a little flashier. Next, the Lenovo Yoga 9, IA Premium, versatile 2-in-1, that's as stylish as it is functional. The all-aluminum chassis with rounded comfort edges feels luxurious and modern. The 360-degree hinge doubles as a rotating Bowers & Wilkins soundbar, delivering impressive audio in any mode. The OLED display is stunning. Choose 2.8K or 4K, both with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Touchscreen and stylus support make it perfect for creatives, students, or anyone who likes to sketch or take notes. Performance is snappy thanks to Intel Core i7 and Evo certification, fast wake, quick app launches, and smooth multitasking. The keyboard is comfortable, with handy one-touch function keys for quick settings. Ports are modern: 2 Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, and a headphone jack, enough for most, but you might need a dongle. Battery life is solid for a 4K OLED, easily lasting through most of a workday. The Yoga 9i is, for those who want a laptop that looks as good as it performs. It's ideal for creatives, students, or anyone who wants a flexible device for work and play. The convertible design means it adapts to your needs: laptop, tablet, tent, or stand. It's not the lightest, but it's portable and premium. If you want a laptop that's as much a statement piece as a tool, the Yoga 9i delivers. It's a showcase of Lenovo's best consumer tech: gorgeous screen, great sound, and true versatility. For media, creativity, and everyday use, it's hard to beat. The Yoga 9i is elegance and flexibility in one package. It's a joy to use, whether you're working or relaxing. If you want a laptop that does it all, and looks good doing it, this is your pick. The Yoga 9i, premium, powerful, and endlessly adaptable. Now let's talk about raw power. Enter the Legion Pro 7i. Meet the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, the powerhouse for gamers and creators. The design is mature, dark aluminum, subtle Legion logo, and per-key RGB lighting for gaming flair. Inside, you can get up to an Intel Core i9 and RTX 4090 GPU desktop-class performance in a laptop. It crushes AAA games and demanding creative tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. The 16-inch QHD Plus display is fast and gorgeous. 240Hz refresh rate, bright, color-accurate, and Dolby Vision support. Legion Cold Front 5.0 cooling keeps things running cool. Even under heavy loads, fans get loud, but performance stays high. The keyboard is full size, with number pad deep travel and customizable RGB, great for both gaming and typing. Ports are everywhere: Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-A and USB-C including Thunderbolt 4, and a headphone jack, no dongle needed. It's big and heavy, with a massive power brick, definitely a desktop replacement, not a daily carry. Battery life is limited. You'll want to stay plugged in for full performance. Who's it for? Hardcore gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs top-tier power on the go. If you want to play the latest games at max settings or render 4K video, this is your machine. It's not for commuters or those who value portability, but for raw performance, it's unmatched. The Legion Pro 7i is proof that gaming laptops can rival desktops. It's a beast, fast, powerful, and ready for anything. If you refuse to compromise on power, this is your pick. It's a true desktop replacement in a portable form. The Legion Pro 7i for those who want the best, period. Now let's look at something more balanced for everyday users. Enter the IdeaPad Slim 7i. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7i is the perfect everyday laptop, portable, powerful, and affordable. The aluminum chassis feels premium, thin, and light, great for students or anyone on the go. The keyboard and glass trackpad are comfortable and responsive, making daily tasks a breeze. The 14-inch OLED display is a highlight, sharp, vibrant, and rare at this price point. Under the hood, Intel Core Ultra processors with a dedicated NPU handle AI tasks efficiently and boost battery life. For web browsing, streaming, and office work, it's more than fast enough. Battery life is excellent, an all-day machine you can rely on for work or class. Ports include 2 Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and a headphone jack, though you may need a dongle for USB-A devices. The value here is huge premium build, great screen, solid performance, and long battery life at a mid-range price. Who's it for? Students, home users, or anyone who wants a premium experience without the flagship price. It's not the best at any one thing, but it has no real weaknesses. The Slim 7i is proof that mainstream laptops can be truly excellent. If you want the best bang for your buck, this is it. It's a smart, well-balanced choice for most people. The IdeaPad Slim 7i premium features, affordable price. Now let's check out a flexible option for business and students. The ThinkBook 14S Yoga. The ThinkBook 14S Yoga blends business features with modern design and flexibility. It's a 2-in-1 convertible with a sturdy, two-tone metal chassis, professional yet stylish. The integrated Smart Pen garages into the chassis, so it's always charged and ready for notes or sketches. The 14-inch FHD touchscreen is bright and color accurate, with a 16:10 aspect ratio for more workspace. Performance is solid. Intel Core processors and Iris graphics handle productivity and multitasking with ease. Security features include a fingerprint reader in the power button and a physical webcam shutter. Ports are generous. 2 Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, microSD, and headphone jack, no dongle required. Battery life is reliable for a full day of work or classes. Who's it for? Students, small business owners, freelancers, anyone who needs a secure, flexible, and modern laptop. It's a great alternative to the ThinkPad for those who want a convertible with business features at a more accessible price. The ThinkBook 14S Yoga, versatile, secure, and practical. It adapts to your workflow. Laptop one moment, digital notepad the next. If you want a laptop that can do it all, this is a smart pick. It's a flexible workhorse for modern professionals and students. The ThinkBook 14S Yoga carves out its own niche in Lenovo's lineup. Now, let's wrap up. Which Lenovo is right for you? There you have it, 5 standout Lenovo laptops for 2025. From the iconic ThinkPad X1 Carbon to the versatile Yoga 9i, the powerhouse Legion Pro 7i, the value-packed IdeaPad Slim 7i, and the flexible ThinkBook 14S Yoga. There's something for everyone. Hopefully this guide helps you find your perfect match. All the models are linked below. Using those links supports the channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more expert tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which Lenovo you'd pick or if I missed your favorite. This is simplicity. See you in the next video up there.